Hi, and welcome to Lavon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen cleaning and organizing cabinets. Remember, I told you we're going to do this series about working on our kitchen and working in our kitchen. One thing you have to do is be clean and organized. So first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the cabinets and then wash the cabinets, okay? So I'm gonna go get me some soap and water, some disinfectant towel, clean it out real good, and then we're gonna start from scratch. While I'm doing that, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back. So I've got a lot of stuff I still have to take out. I've got a lot of stuff out of here, but I've still got a lot to go. So as you can see, I got all of the cabinets cleaned out. Look at this mess down here. And there is my bowl of water. So make sure you wash the side walls as well, not just the bottom. Wash that whole cabinet. Okay, so my cabinets are clean and dry. Make sure they're dry because if you're using boxes, anything that's with paper, you don't want it to stick to it and tear or get moisture in your things. So basically I have 3 cabinets right now. I have bottles, I have boxes, and I have cans. So I'm gonna have one container for each. So as you can see, there's one at the bottom. The one at the bottom is gonna be one that you don't use things too much. So that way you're not bending over all the time going in that cabinet. So if it's things that you don't use often, put those at the bottom. Or you can make tall things in that cabinet, you know, if you've got some tall boxes or tall cans. But the way I like to organize mine is have all the bottles on one shelf, all the cans on one shelf, and all the boxes. So we're gonna start at the bottom first. And what I did was, let me show you. I organized my bottles by height. What I did was I put not only by height, but by what's in the bottle. So say for instance, these are things that I don't use often. I have white vinegar and jalapenos. I don't use those often, so those two are gonna go together. I have all my barbecue sauces. You probably wouldn't have that many bottles of barbecue sauce. I have those mainly because, you know, I shop in bulk and I can't get this in Florida, so I order it. And when I order it in bulk. But I'm gonna put my ketchup with that. I've got my pad thai sauce and my sweet chili sauce. Those will go together. My coffee syrups. I have my oils, my avocado oils and olive oils. Those will go together. I have my Pams. Like I said, you probably wouldn't have 3 cans of Pam. I just order in bulk. So I already have them organized how I want them. Now I just have to put them in the cabinet the same way. I'm gonna put these on the bottom shelf because I don't use barbecue sauce every day. I don't use jalapenos every day. You see what I'm saying? So that way I'm not bending down there all the time to get these out of the bottom cabinet. Okay, so I did my bottles, as you can see, and make sure your bottles are turned face forward so you know what's in the bottles. See, I can look at all of my labels and see what's in my bottles, okay? I actually have room left, so when I go shopping, I can add some more stuff, but make sure you rotate. You put the new stuff in the back. Like I said, I buy in bulk, so I'm always bringing stuff to the front and putting it in the back. So I also did my cans, and what I did, I have beans over there, I have soup, and my soup, since I buy in bulk, you see I bought this big old box of soup, and so it's full. I didn't want to take all of those out. And there's more room going up because this cabinet is kind of tall. So I have these soups and ravioli. And then over here I have vegetables and fruit and things like that. My tomato sauces, you know, tomato, cranberry sauce, fruit, my pears, baby corn, regular corn. Usually my cabinets are not this bare, but because I wanted to clean them out before I added more stuff. and I wanted them organized before I added more stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next cabinet. All right, next I'm gonna do my boxes up here. As you can see, the names of everything. I'll put my tall boxes in the back. My short boxes up front. They don't have names. Oh, you turn it this way. And I have bags, so I have my boxes and bags. I'll put my sugar over here, my Arm & Hammer, my coupons, and my noodles. Okay? Actually, let's put that right there. So, as you can see, my 3 cabinets are done. Whew. And I'm tired. I still have some other things that I need to put away, or should I say throw away, because remember, you have to look at the dates on things, and those things need to be tossed. So I like to clean my cabinets out once every 3 months. You may want to do yours more often than that. I go through a lot of the stuff in my cabinets fast, so that's why I don't have to do it every 3 months, but you can do it however often you think it needs to be cleaned, organized, but make sure it's clean as well. And so this is one of my tips, organizing your cabinets. I hope you have learned something. If you guys have something, a different way of doing yours, come down in the comments, let me know. You may have a better system or just a different system. Let me know how you guys do yours. Let me know how you liked how I do mine. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.